Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to create Allen bolt in SolidWorks. So let's start. We'll start with front plane. Select the line, draw the sketch here. Okay, and this line vertical. Okay, then we'll give the dimension. Here we will keep 25 mm, 5 mm, okay, 3 mm, 10 mm, sorry, will 5 mm. Okay, now go to feature, revolve boss base, select this line. Okay, you can see our bolt body is ready. Now we have to cut the thread. So for thread I will use hollow wizard thread. Okay, select thread location, so we'll select this face here up to selection, so we'll select this face. Okay, thread will keep M6. Here will metric die. Okay, now you can see our thread is ready, but here you can see here this place. So for that, go to thread, edit feature, select here offset, reverse direction. Okay, now you can see now we have to select this face, normal. This one will keep 5 mm. Okay, now go to feature, select here extrude cut 4 mm. Okay, now select this face, we'll cut chamfer here. So the chamfer 1 mm or 0.5, yeah, 0.5 is okay. Okay, now we have to make knurling on this face, so select this here, normal. Draw the center line. Okay, okay, now we will create one sketch here, so select the line. Okay, okay, and then go to select a mirror, entry to mirror, so select this line, mirror about, select this center line. Okay, now our sketch is ready. Let's keep some dimension. One 5, or 4.60. Okay, okay, now go to feature, select here extrude cut, select here throw all. Okay, now select here extrude cut, select here circular pattern, select this circle and keep here 120 mm, 20 equal spacing. Okay, you can see Our bolt is ready. Let's define some material, metal, polished steel. Okay. Now you can see our bolt is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.